Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to show you these beautiful plant brackets that I got. It's from a company that reached out to me and wanted to know if I would use them and review them and show them on my plant videos. And I was like, sure, yeah, because they have everything to do with plants. And I had no problem with that. You can see you get, these are, first of all, these are really heavy duty, they're nice. You can see that's how you hook them in to your wall or outside. And then you can see you get all hardware you need. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 screws. And then you have your little wall anchors that go into the wall. And then these come in 2 different colors. You get black and white that you can choose from. And I will show you that, but I'm going to have my husband put at least one of these up. I know exactly where I want one. Alright guys, I wanted you to check this out. This is the Amazon site. So this is the black one, like what I got. And then they also have white. I like the white ones too. And then it shows you just like different things you can use it for. Wind chimes, plant hanger, lights, bird feeders, a hummingbird feeder maybe. And it does hold a max of 30 pounds that you can hang on it, so that's pretty heavy. If you got a plant hanging that's 30 pounds, over 30 pounds, wow baby. Just another picture. And that was like a really cute bird cage. I do like the white. I think I might order white for outside. But it also has a coupon that you can clip your little coupon, put your little arrow in it, and then it will give you 10% off. It may change. Sometimes the coupons go back and forth. But I will put the link in the description below so that you guys can go right there and check it out if you're interested in some nice plant hangers. And then I'm going to show you what I did with mine real quick.